My name is Jeannette Phillips Green and I'm the Head of Early Years from Scholars International Academy in Sharjah. If you would like more educational videos, please subscribe, and if you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them below. Thank you so much. Today I want to talk to you about how children learn through their senses and therefore should be actively involved in their own learning. From the moment a baby is born, they learn through their senses, and this is what develops their brain. So as adults, we should provide many opportunities for children to learn not just holistically, but through their senses. If you look at a young child, they never actually are able to still for very long. Therefore, we shouldn't be putting children in a situation where they have to sit for long periods of time. We should provide children opportunities where they can explore their environment, have conversations with their friends, be able to try out new ideas, problem solve. And we should set up a learning environment where there's plenty of space. So many times learning environments are set up for young children where there are too many tables and the children don't have room to move around. If we remember that children learn through their senses, we need to give them plenty of space to try out new ideas, explore materials, explore resources, and we should also give them plenty of time in which to do so. Many practitioners rush children and interrupt children's play, when in fact we should be the facilitators of the child's learning. We provide the learning spaces, we provide the opportunities and the resources for them, and we should allow them to play holistically and through their senses to help develop their brains. To sum up, children learn holistically and through their senses. They are not able to sit through long periods of time. We as practitioners should provide many opportunities for them to learn through their senses, explore materials, and we are the facilitators of their learning. Thank you so much for listening.